Greetings traders, it's Thursday, October 4th, 2018, and I'm about to get started trading here. As soon as I've taken an entry, I'll come back and show it to you. I'm going to be using a code 2 entry for the oil futures market. I'll be back. Okay, I've got a short entry at 75.83. Stop is set to 75.90. I'll be right back. Okay, trade is starting to move down here a little bit. Going for 60 ticks on this trade. Exit is set down to 75.23 for 60 ticks. I'll come back. Okay, I've adjusted this stop. Entry is at 75.83 short, and my stop is now set to 75.65 to lock in some ticks there. It's based upon the code. Looks like it's going to go down anyway. Looks like we're going to have another code 2 short. If that be the case, I would want to go ahead and increase my exit. Go for more ticks. Take a look at the 10-minute here. Oh yeah. Okay. Looking good. Looking good. Just waiting for another code 2 confirmation here. I'll be right back. Okay, the stop got hit on that trade, the protective stop, and now I've taken a long position because now I have a breakout on the code 2, so it's going to go up now. Easy peasy Japanesey, simple as can be once you know how to read the codes. And so now I'm going to take it up. How about we just go for like, well, let's take a look at the daily, see what we could get. I don't expect it to go very far. Let's just go for like something reasonable, like 40 ticks. Yeah. Back it off to 06 for 40 ticks. Alright, 76.06 for 40 ticks. I'll be back. Trade is moving up here. Got a little ways to go to hit the 76.06 exit for 40 ticks. Reevaluating this trade. Yeah, I'll be right back. I might go for more. Okay, I've just exited that trade. I may take another trade here, looking for a code 2 entry. I'll be right back. I had to step out for a little bit. Now I'm back, and anyway, getting late here. I'm all done trading for today. I will be back tomorrow on Friday to do some more trading and to use the code system so that you can see for yourself how well it actually works. Hope you code traders hit these trades. Not too hard today. I'll be back tomorrow. Happy trading, everyone.